Welcome to another episode of Bucks TV. This episode is Portia is the stupidest Prime Minister alive. Yes, you miss one leaders. As a proud Jamaican, well, not proud no more after what you done though. As a Jamaican, when I see something like that, Portia agreeing and signing off on a deal to build a prison in Jamaica for Jamaicans in the UK to serve them time in Jamaica is by far one of the dumbest proposal ever what she could have signed to. Number one, them only have fund 40% of the project, which means Jamaica have to come up with the other 60%, maintain the prison facilities and take care of the prisoner. How they gonna do that now? The people them taxpaying money. No, it's bad enough say the people them don't have no job, and the local people them have job, and for them local tax money now, them have to go take and put in on something like that. It's a known fact that you miss one leaders is a dunce. But this conclude me to say that you are also dumb. Because watch out now, what if America say, yo, you can't do that, we have to go do it too. How that go work? You have to go take care of that again. Wait, not you. People tax money have to go take care of that again. Really and truly, me believe you should have turned down the deal. Or the 25 million pound there, you could have found a bug of better things to do with that. You can build more school, youth program, and create jobs with that money there. Miss one leaders. That deal is mission in action star. I don't like it. Cause it no make no sense. Britain not take off the pressure off of them taxpayer. Why would you agree to put the pressure upon your taxpayer where already have a bag of pressure upon them on? But this is what some of the blogger fear blackboard. So that it can get back to you, Miss One Leaders. So she can see and don't do something stupidest than this. Stupidest than this. Yes. That sound like a statement Miss One Leaders whose mission in action would have said. But for real and truly is a fool deal. I hope it don't go through and you shouldn't agree to such foolishness. If you agree with what I say, share, comment, like, tell Miss One Leaders, don't move your fear. And don't forget to support by buying a box t-shirt. No more tax. The people them have enough of tax. Everything are tax. I don't want the people them tax money if you got pay for prison. Foolishness that. Vex your mama. God.